Hi, my name is Jonas. I'm a technician here at Insight Systems, and today I will be showing you how you can test your V7000 control unit. Now we need to configure the computer's IP so we can connect to the technician port. For this test, I will be using the V7000 init tool, which you can download from the IBM website. With this tool, I can set standard IP addresses on the nodes. After I have plugged in the USB, I open up a command prompt and ping the IP address to know when I have a connection. If you don't know the super user password, you can use the init tool once again to reset the password. Type in the IP address in a web browser to connect to a node. Hit to Manage System to create a new system. Name it and give it an IP address. Once created, I open a command prompt and ping the IP. When I have a connection, I open PuTTY and use it to connect to the system. When I'm inside the system, I paste the command lines that will test the system. This is the final test report. Before I shut down the machine, I need to remove the system. I need to remove the system on both nodes. First, I put both nodes in service state. This allows me to remove the system. First, I go to Manage System to remove the system. Then I go into Configure Enclosure to reset the system ID. This needs to be done to remove all previous cluster information. Then I go back to the other node. When I'm done, I take both nodes out of service state so they are ready for the next user. Then I power down both the nodes, then I can shut off the machine.